Good morning everyone, and today's video Galaxy S24 versus Galaxy S21. 3-year difference in the cameras. Well, is it so different? 0.5 on the Samsung S21, 0.6 on S24. Well, they both don't have autofocus and wide-angle lens, so there's no point to check it. It's not non-vlogging style. This is how it's going to look like. Okay, I don't want to lose my S21. It's moving from my rack. I'm using a rack. I try to be in the middle. Let's try to be in the middle. Okay. Okay. Main lens. And again, a little bit of colors. Autofocus. Which one is faster? Okay, S24 definitely. Or is it? Let's do it with something else. Very windy. So 1x, if you're on a vlog from 1x, this is how it's going to look like. 1x, which means the main lens. Not sure about the audio. It is windy. Alright. Telephoto 3x and 3x. We can go all the way to 12 and 12. Okay, I can see the difference, you see? Shakiness, how shaky it is on the... Well, alright. Front facing camera both in 30 frames per second, 4K 60, that's the maximum resolution, but for the purpose of this video it's 30. They both have autofocus in front facing camera, which is very quick in both of them. Very quick. Wow, I'm impressed how on the Galaxy S21. Galaxy S24 of course, but S21 still. Whoa! Now that is a smartphone. Very inexpensive. You can find it for like half the price, even less. Damn. Now, colors. Alright. Photos. Let's find photos because I don't think anyone cares about the video. Let's do photos anyway. And on the left we do have 24, on the right 21. I can see a wider view for 24 colors, more contrast on 24. 50 megapixel versus 64 megapixels. Not too much difference. Like I said, the main lens is a different focal length, so it will be a bit wider, but still share of details. More contrast on the S24. Inside the shopping mall, well, identical. More contrast on S24, but other than that, identical. A flower and similar focusing on the sticker and color battle. They both, well, not accurate at all. Oversaturating and pinkish pepper. And the last photo for today, mermaid, well, very flat image on S21 and vibrant and good looking image on 24. So, progress is here. And I think that's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.